Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students and viewers. In this video, we cover the solution of question number 2, which is related to the assignment number 1 of the subject National Accounting, which has subject code 1413. This assignment is related to attempt 2022 of AIOU examination system. So let's start reading the question number 2, then we will move to its solution that I have made in Excel sheet or Excel workbook. So here is the question. Open the following T accounts: cash, repair supplies, repair equipment, accounts payable, T Ornega, capital, withdrawals, repairs, fees earned, salaries expense, and rent expense. So record the following transaction for the month of June directly in the T accounts. Use the letters to identify the transactions in your T accounts. Determine the balance in each account. So number of accounts and the title has already given to you in the questions. You are just going to understand, analyze these transactions, and then post into their respective T accounts. After that, you are going to find out the balance status, either it is debit balance or credit balance. So here is the first transactions. So I'm going to tell you that whenever you are going to have a transactions, please uh, pass a journal entry of that transactions. After that, you will be easily place the respective side of each transaction to their corresponding concerned T accounts. So the first step is to be either the question demand or not. You make it your habit and permanent habit that you always pass the journal entry of any transactions. Then we'll move to the next step. So I'm always follow this step in my life. So you have to be follow this one as an advice. Tony Ornega opened Ornega repair services by investing rupees 4,300 in cash and rupees 16,000 in repair equipment. The transaction is that and the Mr. Ornega who has opened a repair services company or shop or something else you can assign him a name. So at that time he is investing in cash rupees 4,300 and he has bring about an equipment repair equipment which has values 16,000. After that there is a second transaction paid rupees 800 for the current month rent, and this transaction is to the rent expense for the June purchase repair supplies on credit rupees 1100 or 1100, purchase additional repair equipment for cash rupees 600, paid salary to helpers for rupees 900, again expense account and salaries account, pay rupees 400 of annual amount purchase on credit in C. In this C transactions, 1100 that we are going to be uh, reduce our liability by paying amount of rupees 400. Accept cash for repair complete rupees 3,720. So we have offer repair services. After completion of repair services, we have received the cash and withdraw rupees 1,000 in cash. This is also known as lines. So let's move to the other uh, Excel sheet where I have completed this solution. As I told you that I have passed these transactions in general entry form. So after that I just pick up the amount and place into their respective T accounts. Cash account 4,300. Repair equipment is equal to 16,000. Total will be go to the Ornega capital account 20,300. Then the second transaction is related to the rent expense, which is paid in cash. Rent expense account to cash account 800. And this is debit side and this is credit side. Third transaction is related to the repair supplies to account payable account 1100 and 1100. Further additional purchasing of repair equipment in cash equal to 600 rupees and asset is decreases. Salary expense account is equal to 900 and cash account is equal to 900. Account payable has been reduced by the 400 by retiring of the portion of the liability of 400 to cash account 400. Then we receive the payment against completing the repair services, which is equal to 3,720. To repairs fee earned account 3,720. Withdrew account, which is also known as dying account 1,000, and to cash account to cater to cash account to 1,000. Now come to the cash. First, cash account. All the transactions of related to cash accounts have been placed in T account on debit and credit side. So total is 1020, and balance brought forward, it is a debit balance which is moved to the next month 4320. So the second account is repair equipment account. So repair equipment account is so uh, not two, yes, two Ornega capital account 6,000, and we by additional repair equipment of rupees 600, we will place it here in the cash account. So 16,600 is the total, and this is a debit balance again, and move to the next month as the opening balance, taking position in debit side. And now we will move the discountee on Ornega capital account. So capital account is cash account, and repair equipment account. Total is 20,300, and uh, this is the credit balance, and the credit balance is 20,300. We already discussed this one. So now I am going to account payable. First we have purchase repair supplies on credit, which is equal to 1100, and then we are going to make portion of the payment equal to 400. So the credit balance in this account payable account is rupees 700. So let's move to the account number 7, withdrawal account, which is the last transaction. So withdrawal account is to cash account 1000, and his debit balance is equal to 1000, and repair fees earned, we receive cash and against completing the services. So cash by cash account to 3,720, and this is a credit balance amounting to 3,720. And the salaries expense account, the balance is 900, and this is a debit balance, and rent expense is also debit balance. So here the solution is completed. So I hope you will find this solution useful, and if you have any query or question, you can ask me in comment section. And one further request, please, if you found any mistake regarding calculation, please mention in the comment section, or if you want to add something more from your side to improve the quality of the solution, then must drop your suggestion, but with logical arguments or logical supportive arguments. Thanks for watching, and please like and share with your friends this video. Assalamu alaikum.